In this video tutorial, we are going to cover how to log in as a parent or donor and access your GiveBacks organization. So specifically, if you're coming to log in from app.memberhub.com, these are the steps you're going to follow. If you're going to access your page from your organization's direct link, then you will not need to follow these steps. These steps are specifically as a parent or a donor from app.memberhub.com. All right, so if we jump in here, the first thing we're going to do is enter our email address and our password, and then click on the sign in button. You are going to end up on this page, which is known as the dashboard. As a parent or non-admin contact, you're going to come up here to your profile icon, My Profile, and then scroll all the way down here to Other Organizations. You're going to click on Contact under your organization name, and you will be brought into your site. From there, you can see everything you need to know as a parent or donor.